Yan na po guys. Try for pusit pero walang pusit ay. Tamban na lang tayo no. May tamban na. Tamban na lang. Kumabi agad. Tamban na. Ay. Lalaki. Okay guys. Natin wala yatang pusit ay yan natin tamban na lang yun may huli ay nawala. Let's drop it back in. Okay. Yun. Nice na. Yan guys. Oh. Ayan. Sarap ito. Ay naku. Sarap. Favorite ko to, prito. Extra crispy. Well, I guess the squid slowed down, so I don't know. Yun. Uy, agad. Uy, saan ka pupunta? Ay, nawala na naman. Ikaw na. Yan. These are fun to catch. Ay, sayang. Huling isa. Don't get off now. Oh shoot, keep coming off, yo. Keep coming off. Come on. These guys keep coming off my hook. Oh, see? What is going on, man? I'm losing fish, not catching fish. I don't know how many fish I lost. Things are, I don't know. Yan, may isa. Ay, almost sabit. Yan. Yan guys, so. Sarap ito, tinapa, no? Smoke. I tried it before. My friend made it last year. Oh my god, it reminds me of the Philippines. He's actually a white dude that marinated it. Ay, what happened here? Uy, oh man. Oh. Yo, you're gonna be stuck. Hold on. Oh, damn. Took it under. You took it under that plastic. I'm gonna get stuck on that thing. There you go. Stay in there now. Stay in there. Jeez. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Sarap ito. Tuyo. Tuyo, no? Sarap. You guys are gonna get me stuck on that thing, bro. There you go. Calm down, killer. There you go. Oh, come here. Oh, my bucket guy. Uy! Okay. Let's drop it back in there, yeah? There you go. Uy! Punta ka dito. This is the size I like. Uy! There you go. Got you. Alright. They're not in the bottom, they're actually just right there on top. Just like jigging it on top. Yeah, see? Just jig it on top. Just right there. I don't even have to go on the bottom. See them floating on top, yeah. That one. Come over here. Whoa, you're gonna get. There you go. Whoa. This thing's. There you go. Get off my hook. And I think I'm feeling the rhythm now, huh? I'm feeling the rhythm. Yes. There you go. Whoa. Yun, dalawa. Yun. Ayos. Where's my rag at? Sarap pulutan ito, guys. Yan, may huli. Uy! Wow, killer. Ay, nawala na naman. Oh, just missed that. Yan. Yun, may huli. May huling dalawa. Come over here. Whoa, man, this guy's smooth. Oh, dude. Sarap ito idaing, no? Yan. Okay, let's catch more, guys. Kung walang pusit, di magtamban na lang tayo, no? Okay lang, I enjoy any type of fish. I eat any fish. It doesn't matter to me. I'm a Pacific Islander, so I ain't choosy. Yun, may huli agad, ha? Yan na. Uy. Ayos. Ay. It's all tangled. Ayan guys, huli, may huli. Uy, dalawa, uy. Ay, sayang, isa. Ayan. It's the best way to eat it, Frank, you know? Ayan. May huli. Uy. May huli. May pusit yata eh. May pusit. No, huli si Kuya Franco. Huli, huli. Uy. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Uy. Oh, it broke one of my hook, yeah. Yan, sige. Yun, huli. May huli, guys. Ay, nawala. They're just like catching paing. Paing ito eh. Alright, let's recast, guys. Yun, may isa. Don't get lost. Uy, grabe. Oh, man. Yan. I lost one. Ay, nako. Actually, guys, these are fun to catch, you know, especially when there's no more fish. These are fun to catch. I don't care. I'm a fisherman. I catch anything, you know. I enjoy whatever I catch. I don't care. I eat this too. A lot of people don't eat this, but I tell you what, I love this fish. Here in America, they don't like this fish. Us Pinoy Islanders, you know. That's how we do it. It's good eating. Yan, guys. Mahuli agad. Yan. Ay, nako. Ay. There you go. Wala, no? Tamban na lang tayo. Dito si Kuya Frank, guys. Tamban na lang. Kung walang pusit, magtamban na lang tayo, di ba? Okay lang yun. We brighten up the light. Yeah, let's brighten it up. That way you guys can see, yeah? There you go. Now you guys can see. Yan. Yun. There you go. Uy, dalawa. Uy, tatlo. Tatlong tamban. Uy. Ay, nako. They got me stuck. Oh, they got me stuck. They got me stuck. Yeah. They're good. Oh, God. See that thing there? I actually had 3 in here, but got away. Got stuck on that plastic. I don't want to get stuck on that. Man. Uy, dalawa. Oh, man, don't go under there. This guy's... There you go, guys. Yes, fun is catching pusit, you know, one after the other. Napasarap breakfast ko bukas. Kamatis with salty eggs ito, no? Salty eggs with kamatis. Matching itong tamban. Nako, sarap talaga. Ay, nako. Sarap. Okay. Let's jig away, guys. Jig away. Gotta slow down now, so this is what I caught for tonight. Not too bad, you know. Okay na yan. Good enough for me, no? Not too bad. Yeah, they kind of slow down, so yeah, it slow down. The squid slow down too, so I don't know. I'm gonna give it another try for maybe 3 more times, and that's it. I don't know about the squid, but it definitely slowed down now. So, but ito po guys, ito po mga tamban namin dito sa Amerika. Oh, lalaki ay. Lalaki yung mga tamban namin dito. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you guys not a subscriber, just subscribe and click that bell button on the side so I keep you guys updated. Okay guys, thanks for watching. God bless you all. Keep on fishing guys. Peace.